My name is Linda. This is our home in Belmont, California. We had Done Right come and help us with an awesome renovation for the kitchen, the living room fireplace, and 2 bathrooms. So our project manager was Ray. His supervisor was Joanne. Both of them were absolutely incredible. Ray did a lot of work with us to design the perfect master bathroom. It was very old and very tiny, and using the same footprint, we were able to make a beautiful walk-in shower and a huge master closet out of it with his clever design. The other piece that we did was to take out a big kitchen wall. So we opened the space up to be a big kitchen flowing right into the dining room with our fabulous view outside. That was such a huge change. The ceiling here was actually very low in the kitchen. And with Ray and Joanne's help, they were able to suggest a way that we could raise the ceiling, which we're so pleased with. Ray was always responsive. He was always helpful. He was quick to either send us messages and ask a question or to confirm something that we were asking about. A lot of his communication was directly with my son, Jared, which Jared really appreciated. I think Jared was just very impressed with Ray, with his ability to communicate, with his responsiveness, and just being the kind of contractor that he was actually looking for. We are so thrilled with this, a new home for us. It is such an impressive change from what it was originally. We are thrilled with the upgrades that we've made, with the raised kitchen ceiling, the beautiful fireplace, the gorgeous bathrooms. This will be our forever home, we hope. And we're so excited about the way it now flows, that we can have our large family here and also have the features that we need to remain here forever.